Hi, I'm going to share with you an integration that you can use within ChatGPT and Claude to publish and schedule a LinkedIn post directly to your account without leaving their interfaces. There's a lot of other things that this integration can do for you, but we'll come back to that. So the first thing that you want to do is go to ChatGPT, and in the GPT section, search for LiGo. So it's basically this custom GPT, which is public. Just go to that. I've got that pinned on the sidebar, so I'll just go directly over there. And you can, if you're interested in finding out what features it has, you can just click on this to ask it. But otherwise, to get started, just ask it, am I logged in? In your case, you're not going to be logged in, so it will basically take you through the sign-in process, which looks something like this. So it will authenticate you with our application if you already have an account. Otherwise, it will prompt you to create an account. But anyways, once that part's done, it will tell you which email that you're linked with, and there we go. Okay, so next I'm going to ask it to please fetch my last 10 LinkedIn posts. You can also ask it for some other information like, can you please check my LinkedIn bio as well as my experiences and my certifications, and then maybe recommend me 3 different taglines or anything else of that sort that you might want to ask this GPT. So there's like a lot of use cases which you have listed on the integrations page. So for example, if you write a post, you can ask it to turn that into an article or make it sound more like you by having a look at your past posts. So it fetched all the 10 last 10 posts that I had made. And then I'm going to ask it, can you please so now I'm going to ask it to please have a look at my past post and tell me, give me 3 ideas of the next post that I could make on LinkedIn. Give me post ideas basically. Okay, so I use this for basically idea generation as well. So it knows the kind of topics that I talk about, and then it can recommend which kind of post resonated with my audience. So it's given me about 3 different ideas, and I'm going to tell it to just go with post idea 3, turn that into a LinkedIn post in my style. So it knows the way in which I write the LinkedIn post. So there we go. Your first customers should scare you, not because they'll churn, but because they'll expose you. Most early users aren't ideal ICPs, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this looks good. I can just ask it to maybe make some changes if I have them. I could just speak them, and then once it's done, I can ask it to please publish this post to my LinkedIn profile. Or you can ask it to schedule it by giving a date and the time at which you want to schedule that post. For now, I'm just going to publish that. So this is how it works within ChatGPT. You can do exactly the same process within Claude as well. So in this case, it says it looks like your LinkedIn account isn't connected to your LiGo account, and this is how we can do that. Okay, that makes sense. Currently, if I go over here, yeah, so my LinkedIn is not connected. I'm going to enable posting, log in with my LinkedIn account. And once this is done, my LinkedIn account is connected to LiGo's application. I would now be able to, if I go to integrations, yes, it's connected now. I'm just going to ask it to try again. And there we go. The post is published. If I go to LinkedIn right now, there we go. We're going to see my post appearing over here. So like I said, you can do the same thing with the Claude as well. The process for that is listed on this integrations page. You can just go directly over there or just type LiGo integrations in Google search and you will get that page. Just go to set up Claude integration and it will guide you through the process. The backend tech that we use is MCP server, which gets added to your Claude's desktop application. So you'll be able to repeat the same process.